Hey guys, this is our lesson 54 classwork page. It is page 45. All right. And so it says, number 1, fill in the circle under the beginning letter. So this is a picture of a deer. Deer. Let's put a circle under the letter that says d. Good, this one. All right, this is a fox. Fox. Let's fill in the circle under the letter that says F. This is a lion. Lion. Which one says ol? Good, this one right here. This is a monkey. Monkey. Which letter says Good, this one. Next it says, fill in the circle under the blend you hear at the beginning of each word. This is a bed. B-E-D. So we need to find the blend that says B-E, be. Good, right here. This is a picture of a rock. So the beginning we hear raw. So we need to find the blend that says raw. Good, right here. Next, we have a picture of a sun. Sun. So we need to find the blend that says sa. Right here. Good. Number 3 says, read the words and fill in the circle under the word that is the name for the picture. So this is a dog. D-A-G. So look at those words. You're looking for one that has a vowel sound in the middle that says d-a-g. Good, right here. This is a picture of gum. So you need to find the word that has the vowel sound. Gum. Right here, good. Next, we have a picture of a doll. D-A-L. D-A. So we need one with the vowel sound ah. Good. All right, guys.